Iahabol ko lang tong Crypto Blades Play to Earn Gameplay 120 natin bago ko pumasok in the next 2 hours. Kasi meron na tayong 120 stamina, so pwede na yan. Para in the next 16 hours maglalaro uli ako and ma-maximize natin yung chances natin makapag-earn ng skill rewards. Okay, so first combat, lightning, combat natin yan. Pero 120 yung max. Try natin gamitin yung nakuha nating bagong espada na free NFT sa Crypto Blades NFT airdrop. Okay, so ang gagamitin natin yung una kong yung original lightning element sword natin and lalabanan natin yung second opponent. Fight. A disclaimer statement for our Involved Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel. All the information on this website is published in good faith and for general information purpose only. Any action that you take upon the information you find on this website, Involved Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel is strictly at your own risk. You can also navigate in the About section of our Involved Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel where you can read, understand, and agree to our complete disclaimer statement for Involved Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel. Okay, so yung results ng first combat natin, nanalo naman tayo. Second combat, Water Element Warrior combat. Water Element Sword muna. Okay, so ang lalabanan natin dito yung second opponent. May results na. Nanalo ulit tayo. Okay, so third combat, Water Element ulit. Try muna natin yung Water Element Sword combat. Okay, so yung lalabanan natin yung first opponent na Fire Element na may win rate na 85.0%. Okay, nanalo ulit tayo. Okay, so last warrior na lang, Lightning Element combat. Okay, para sa huling warrior natin, yung fourth combat, much better kung gagamitan natin ng Water Element Sword yung ating Lightning Element Warrior and then lalabanan natin yung last. As of the recording of this video, bumaba by 1.6% ang current value or price action ng CryptoBlades skill token sa cryptocurrency market and one skill is equal to 265.79 pesos. Nanalo naman lahat ng warriors natin and yung accumulated skill earnings natin ay umangat by 4.0703 skill. Okay, and then yung kinita natin for this gameplay is 0.0319. For this gameplay, kumita tayo ng 8.47 pesos. Gamit lang ang 120 na stamina. Pero yung accumulated earnings natin na equal sa okay, now yung accumulated earnings natin is now equal to 4.0703 skill. Kung ika-calculate natin yan, we're now around 1,081 pesos 0.56 cents. Ayan. Always remember to like this video and subscribe to our Involved Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel. More fruitful gains, everyone. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again on our next vlog. Bye for now.